Okay guys, look at this honker I just caught on top water here. Moto minnow. Belly on that thing, that is a chunk. It blew up on that bait so hard I didn't know what happened. Man, let's look at that fish. Boom! Look how fat that fall time fish is right there, guys. One more time so we can mire it before we release. There you go, big girl. Let's go, guys. We've caught, that's the second fish of the day on the Moto minnow. I love that bait so much. But yeah, let's see if we can catch another one. Ladies and gentlemen, look at that sunrise right there. Isn't that pretty? Especially a good way to top it off of a big bass, but we're still fishing, guys. So let's keep fishing. I think we're gonna try the glide bait next. Moto minnow did a very good job, so yeah, hopefully we catch another big one. Let's go, guys. Literally fishing in a hurricane right now. Got our wiggle wart on. First cast, we've got a short. Guys, last week we had like we were down 7 feet of water. We seriously have covered all of that with the amount of rain we just got and more. So we're not done. Very windy. guys, we'll check in as soon as we can find some more fish. Okay guys, look at this chunk we just got right here. Wigglewort. Wind's raging. See if we catch another one. Some nice fish. Fishing my wigglewort right off that point over there. He just smashed it. Now it's time to see if we can get one on camera for you guys. Sorry, it's just trying to conserve battery life. These like edges are just really good for fish, especially like top water.